Well, the very distinctive outline of a Booth's Fresian design. Transfer printed earthenware plate. Dates from between 1912 and late 1940s. A couple of the pieces, we bought a set of this, and some of the pieces I think are much earlier. They've got a lot more glaze issues with them than these dinner plates, which have got occasional date stamps on them for January and February 1947. Fresian is this very stylised, characteristic of Booths, really, isn't it? With that cobalt blue hand decorated colour infill on a burgundy, really. It's not red or pink, is it? It's a burgundy transfer printed outline design. Deep scalloping on the rims, as you can see, with no outer rim decoration, and then a little bit of moulded relief, as you can see around here on the dinner plates. 10.5 inch, absolutely lovely in the hand. Deep relief on them on the sides, as you can see. And then we should have on the rear here, yes, a lovely, let me get some light on that, Booth's crown and banner mark for Made in England Fresian with that stylised fashion. And then this is one with one of those date marks on. You can just see here 247 indent printed with a little star mark on it as well. Glaze on these is really quite nice, no problems with that at all. And the transfer print and cobalt infill all in absolutely fine condition. Lovely for collectors of Booths, early 20th century through to mid 20th century Fresian dinner plates, 10.5 inch. We've got quite a few different sizes and shapes available in this pattern, just coming on catalogue, so do have a browse through the website and keep looking, because I'm working my way through a rather large box of this stuff. Thanks for watching.